Hey fellow garden gnomes, this is Brittany. Welcome back to my channel where I take you guys along with me on my journey to self-sustainability. Now if you follow my channel, you may have read the title of this video and wondered, wait a minute, didn't she just have a seed haul like a few videos ago? I did. In all seriousness, you probably know that my garden plans have been changing somewhat. I now know that I will have a community garden plot this summer. When I had originally ordered the seeds that you saw in my previous seed haul video, I had not known that I would be able to garden here in Miramichi. I had thought that I would be ordering the seeds, opening them, and then sending them on to my parents who would plant them in my/their garden. And so when I found out that I could garden this summer because I'm helping to put together a community garden here in Miramichi, I decided to order a few more seeds in preparation. The one thing that frustrates me with this, as much as I try to make sure that all the seed packets are in the bottom, I often end up nicking one of the seed packets with my scissors. So first off, I have my bonbon zinnia. Although most of what I plant will be vegetables, I do like to include a couple flowers here and there just for some biodiversity, to attract pollinators. Sometimes the flowers are edible. I'll have to double check, but I'm pretty sure zinnia flowers are edible. I think. I know some of the other flowers that I have are edible, but I just thought these were so pretty and I'm really excited to plant them. Next off, I have a red lettuce salad mix. And so I will be sowing these as just cut and come again. So instead of planting them with a certain seed spacing so that I can get some heads, I'm going to plant them very densely, and then I'm just going to cut them and then leave them to grow new leaves. What I find very interesting about the red lettuce is that in the reviews on the website, many people who've reviewed, or a couple anyway, have said that for some reason the slugs seem to avoid the red lettuce and go for the green lettuce, which I thought was very interesting. I have some mammoth melting sugar snow peas. I love snow peas, so I can't wait to grow these. These are early spring vegetables, so I'm trying to decide whether I want to start them inside a week or so before I expect to be able to plant them, or just sow them in my community garden plot as soon as I have it. Next, I have some Swiss chard. Now, because I do only have a certain size plot, I believe I'm going to have about 120 square feet. I want to try and grow as much food as I can, and especially grow food that I can preserve. And so Swiss chard leaves you can blanch and then freeze. And I've actually been buying frozen kale from the grocery store, so I'm sure I will enjoy frozen Swiss chard and fresh Swiss chard just as much. And here I have my free gift. I always love how Baker Creek includes free gifts with their orders. This one is a cosmic purple carrot. Next, I have a dragon's egg cucumber. You probably haven't seen a cucumber like this. I was reading the reviews and they look really good. I'm super excited to try these. Next, I have my black Hungarian pepper. Oftentimes for my hot pepper selection, I usually go with jalapeno, but I thought I'd switch it up and go with this black Hungarian pepper. From the reviews, it seems to be similar to the jalapeno, but still different enough that I thought it would be neat to try. Next, I have my purple beans, which are, these are pole beans. It'll be interesting to see what I do for trellising, since I'll have to be conscious of the plots beside mine and whether my trellis will inadvertently shade some of their plots out. So I'm not sure how much straw space I will have, but I will certainly try and grow some of these. Lastly, I have my seed packet that I unfortunately nicked a little bit, and these are marigolds, Queen Sophia marigolds. They're supposed to be somewhat compact, which will be good in the small space that I have for my garden plot. And then these for sure are edible. The flowers of marigolds are edible, so that's a nice little addition. But largely I grow these because I find that not only do pollinators like them, they're said to have a smell that puts off certain pests. And I mean, I guess I can't say for sure if that works, but I like to grow it just because I've heard that from a lot of people. So there you have it, my second garden haul for 2018. Most likely my last one. I really don't think my plot could handle any more plants at this point. If you're interested in knowing what else I'm planting in my garden this year, be sure to check out the video right here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more of my garden, please hit that subscribe button. If you know of any friends who might enjoy these types of videos, please share it with them. And until the next video, stay wildly green.